Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Get ready to take your mixing needs to the next level with this awesome, convenient, but powerful mixer from Yomelo. The mixer itself comes with a convenient little box that you can keep handy for whenever you need it. You don't have to drag out your big heavy-duty mixer thanks to the power that's packed into this one. It comes with 3 different types of mixing tools. So you have a whisk, you have regular beaters, and you have dough hooks that you can use anytime. I was really impressed that even with potatoes, it really mixed very, very well. And thanks to that increase and decrease of power speeds, you can definitely see that it mixed them up in no time. From the top of the handle, it has the increase and decrease buttons, and everything is clearly visible on the electronic panel on the top. The mixer is easy to hold onto, easy to clean, and overall it packs in quite a little bit of punch. You'll be able to start off with some great cooking skills using this mixer, being able to whip up all of your favorite recipes. But that's just my point of view.